lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Birchbox. So if you want to see what's inside in my Birchbox July 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you see me very sweaty, very like my makeup, it's like melting because it's too hot outside. It's like 35 degrees outside and I can't. I really can't. And I really wanted to unbox with you, lovelies, my Birchbox for this month. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unbox subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And it's been a while since I subscribed to this subscription box. I think it's almost a year now. No, I think I subscribed to them February or January at the start of the year. It's been a while since I subscribed to Birchbox because I have love and hate with Birchbox, lovelies, because I love their boxes, their limited edition boxes, their design. The boxes are drawer ones, so I can reuse them. But the products inside, sometimes I'm not really happy about the sizes, because those sizes I can go in makeup counter to get it for free. So that's the only thing that I don't really like from Birchbox. But I decided to subscribe this month because I really love the design of the bag for this month and also the products inside. And they had an offer also that if you subscribe for 3, 6, 12 months, you will have 40% off of your subscription box. So yes, I decided to subscribe for only 3 months, and we'll see if I want to continue or not. So yes, let's stop talking and let's open. So as I said, this month Birchbox, it came with the bag, and it's really a gorgeous bag. Bring with me everywhere in the beach because it's quite plasticky outside, so it won't get easily dirty. So yes, it's really a gorgeous design, as you can see. And let's open it. So we have first the leaflet. It says Countryside Charm. So this theme is Countryside Charm. And it says, hello Birchboxers. This summer we're taking a break from the hustle and bustle to get closer to nature with a countryside staycation. Sometimes changing up your routine and escaping to the country is exactly what you need. July's floral beauty bag reminiscent of countryside scenery, especially curated to remind you to get closer to nature. Let the fresh air, green fields, and sunshine help you to relax, recharge, and reflect. And then we have all the products inside with the description and the price. And let's see what's inside in this bag. So the first one here that I used it a lot. Me and my daughter used this product a lot, and it's in the bag. It's a hair wrap, lovelies. And as I said, we use this a lot. Usually when we took bath before bed, we don't dry our hair, but we put in this hair wrap, and it really dry quickly. So this one is a full size. It's retail for 15 pounds, and it says, your hair deserves better than harsh towels. Go easy in your locks, lock and cut drying time in half with this microfiber hair towel. The quick dry material has a greater surface area to absorb water, meaning the average person's hair dry can dry in as little as 30 minutes. The superfine microfiber is softer than regular towels, meaning less effort and friction is required to dry your hair, keeping hair cuticles flat and smooth. Your locks will be soft, manageable, and frizz-free with less product. So yes, and this is very soft. This is Birchbox own brand. Yes, very, very soft, and I really like the color, like a peachy color. So yes, happy with this one. And then the next product we have here, and this is from Beauty Pro Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Beauty Collagen Sweet Almond Peppermint Anti-Aging and Cooling Formula Dual Layered Beauty. It says 20-minute travel with me, contains natural ingredients. Yes, here we go. It's a full size 2. And this one, it's retail for £4.95, and it says, "Hey Twinkle Toes, are you feeling dry, tired, and in need of an intense moisturizing treatment? This innovative double-layered beauty with removable toe tips enriched with shea butter and marine collagen hydrates and nourishes feet while salicylic acid dissolves skin debris. Get smooth, sandal-ready fit for the summer." So the next one we have here, and this is the Refill Beauty Balm. And this one looks like this. It's like a balm inside. And this one, it's in peach tan, and it's full size, and it's retail for £11. And it says, "Not just a lip balm, this is your ultimate all-over salve, and it's endlessly refillable, made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and squalane. It hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote the barrier function, and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft, never sticky. It has just a hint of chamomile for a light and calming scent." So yes, I never heard from this brand. So yes, that's a good thing also from Birchbox. I discovered loads of product in my Birchbox before, like the Rituals one. I really love Rituals product. There's the smell, so relaxing, and I discovered Rituals product in my Birchbox. So yes, that's another good thing about Birchbox too. And the next one I have in here, we have the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Therapies Deep Conditioning Treatment. So this is a sachet. It has 40 ml, which is not bad as a size. It doesn't say anything how much, but the full size is retail for £37. So this is just a deluxe sample size, and it says, "This fresh shampoo treatment perfect for all hair types. Add elasticity, manageability, hydration, and shine while reducing breakage and frizz. The uplifting fragrance of Egyptian jasmine and mandarin will leave you with a bounce in your hair and your step. Apply to damp hair for a minimum 10 minutes. Rinse and follow with shampoo and conditioner." I tried a few products from Philip Kingsley, and they're really good. So can't wait to try and smell this one. And then the last product I have in here, and this is from Arrow Radiant Skin Moisturizer. It has 10 ml, just deluxe sample size. Yes, it is. In the full size, it's retail for £18, and it says, "From Arrow's revived line of hydrating, brightening products, this lightweight daily moisturizer has a subtle sheen that illuminates your skin as it hydrates and soothes. You may get out the store just a little bit faster when you see the instant healthy looking glow it gives your complexion." So yeah, I never heard from this brand before, but I really saw a lot of product from this brand in Birchbox. So yes, so that's all, lovelies, as you can see. And the size of this box is really good. I really love the bag. So let's do a recap, lovelies. So you will receive a gorgeous bag. I received from Arrow the Radiant Skin Moisturizer. I never heard from this brand, so yes, I'll try it and then let's see. And then also I never tried from this brand too, the Refill Beauty Balm. And then we receive also travel size sachet from Philip Kingsley, which is the Elasticizer Therapy Deep Conditioning Treatment. And then we have also the Beauty Pro Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Beauty. I tried a few Beauty Pro products, and they are really good too, so can't wait to try that one. And then we have also the Birchbox on brand, the hair wrap, which is this one. I'm very excited about. So yeah, that's all for my Birchbox for this month. And overall, as I said, I decided to subscribe to this month because I really love the bag. I really like the hair wrap. I will definitely use it. I will definitely use every single product in this month Birchbox. So yes, for me, it's a thumbs up this month. And you lovelies, what did you receive in your Birchbox? Did you receive already? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye!